At BayPath Science, we nurture scientific understanding by using creativity and evidence-based teaching, also including research into undergraduate education. This is really important for us, especially in a world where in our field we haven't had the opportunity to have women and other underrepresented minorities in sciences.
I was here at the beginning of the inception of our biology programs, and right away we had a vision, being a women's university at the undergraduate level, to instill in our students that voice within them that says, I belong here. I am a woman scientist. And we redesigned our entire curriculum to be active. When they come in the classroom, we are doing active learning, problem solving, case studies, you name it, we're doing it. Very often, even in a lecture, we're doing some lab work. So our students actually have to speak up in all of their classes. They're contributors, they're not just passive observers. And so this has been the case right from the beginning, to develop something here that would give women the skills and the knowledge, but particularly the confidence to have a STEM identity, so that they could, really blaze a trail and become anything that they wanted to be in science.
I think having hands-on experience is better because I can see what I'm applying what I'm learning. So I'm not just in lecture, just learning about what I am doing in lab. I'm actually seeing the effects of what's happening, and that faculty and staff have always just told me to try something. That's really helped build my confidence, because then even if it doesn't work out, at least I gave it a shot. And that's really what they push for. There's no harm in trying. And that's really what science is about.
Being able to have students really pick their research projects and be their ideas really helps guide our teaching, because we want them to be able to explore and really figure out what they're good at and what is it that they want to do next. How do they want to contribute to society? And our students are interested in so many different fields, so many different research questions, that having faculty who are dedicated to them, who can really teach them about how to do research from their own experiences, and for them to meet mentors who are doing the exact thing that they want to do, so that way they know what is it like to be in those careers.
So what most drew me to BayPath was how close-knit the community immediately felt, and how I immediately just didn't feel like a number. It was just an individual, and I could meet with my professors whenever I wanted to, build a one-on-one connection, and I was given the flexibility to kind of push my own research forward. And I'm growing not only as a student, but as an individual as well. So I'm definitely going to take every single lesson that they've taught me into my professional career.
BayPath creates a sense of confidence in the students like I've never seen before. When they get up to make a presentation, they're heard, they're seen, and it's just a wonderful, rewarding thing for me. Be a part of the labs when I can, and talking with the students and listening to their ideas and what they want to do and why they want to do it. And they all have their stories, their background stories. It's usually a personal thing. That's what makes it wonderful, because they can take a dream or something that has affected them and their families or themselves personally, and they can research it, they can think it out, they can maybe come up with something that's going to be helpful.
Biomedical research is what I'm really interested in right now, in genetics. I am looking into nicotine effects in zebrafish embryos and the way that it affects their behaviors. And I'm also want to see how I can reverse the effects of nicotine by adding specific medications to it. So I'm also looking into that. I want to work with kids, so doing research in embryonic zebrafish will help me see the difference in what I've done in my research here and how it's applied to my career goals working with the kids in hospitals.
So right now I am most interested in dermatological research, and that stemmed from loving the medical field and also going through dermatological issues of my own. I love learning about skin and all sort of anatomy, and I love how chemistry and biology kind of like intertwine, and I'm definitely going to be a future provider who cares about research and patient-centered care and really taking context into like research and putting it into what you do.
One of the real important things that I think Bay Path graduates should carry into the world is confidence in what they want to do, whatever that might be, and really helping them become the leaders of tomorrow and then see them grow and become professional scientists.
Designing your own research project around a question that you have a burning desire to know about, that's empowering for them to have the curiosity to want to learn something on their own like that, something that has not been done before. And I can tell you that there's, as a researcher myself, for those that have an innate curiosity, it starts a fire and that flame burns throughout their lives.